Welcome to Swahili 102. This is numbers, or what we call in Swahili, nambari, number, or tarakimu. So Swahili School offers 2 years of Swahili language. So Swahili 102 is numbers, and it has 5 lessons, 5 different videos. This is Swahili 101 that is broken down in pods, 101, 102, 103, all the way to 108. Each Swahili pod has 4 lessons with accompanying phonics. Phonics, remember, are the foundations of any language. So Swahili language in itself, when we are teaching it, we start with foundations, which include phonics, then we do lessons and gradually get into reading comprehension, writing, and then a full immersion all the way to fluency and communication. So by the time you get to Swahili 208, you will be communicating in Swahili, because Swahili is such an easy and fun language to learn. So join. Week 1 for Swahili 102 has numbers from 0 to 10. So the lesson here is numbers from 0 to 10. The fundamentals are important in this lesson. So please make sure you understand how to say from 0 to 10. It will help you greatly when you go to 11 all the way. Makes it much, much easier. And it's also fun. Why not? Learn the language. The accompanying phonics, the first 2 are pa and ra, and all these phonics have videos in the description box. You will find a whole list of each week and what videos to watch. So go to the description box and click on each video on each lesson. The second phonics for this week, for week 1, is sa and sha. So the whole week 1, you will be learning numbers from 0 to 10, and then these 2, pa and ra, and then sa and sha. Just remember, you don't have to remember those words that come with each lesson, whether we're learning sa, like sa means a watch. All you need to know is hear how the word sa or the phonics sa sounds in a word. Week 2, lesson 2 is from 11 to 29. Once you've mastered from 0 to 10, you will find this much easier and fun, saying 11, 12, all the way to 29. Why? Because in Swahili, it is 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 3. And as you shall see, if you know 1, 2, 3, and then you know 10 is kumi, you'll just be saying kumi na moja, kumi na mbili. The accompanying phonics are ta, te, and then tha, the, and these make it much, much easier when you're reading and writing in Swahili. Swahili is actually a phonetic language, so you're going to be reading phonetically and writing phonetically. The second phonics are va and wa. Lesson 3, week 3, is numbers from 30 to 100. So you're learning your tens. Here is the fun part. Swahili keeps its place value. So you're just not just learning a language, you're also learning your tens, your ones, your tens, your hundreds. And it will help you in math when you're doing math too. So when you're learning 10, 20, 30, 40, and you start writing 35, 39, 45, 99, you will keep your place values. You will learn how to keep those place values, which is valuable when it comes to math, when you're doing your fractions, when you're doing your decimals. It is important. So this is the last of the vowels, ya and za, but remember, you can always go back and review. So after you finish all the vowels, go back and start reviewing. It is fun. It is greatly appreciated. Once you've mastered the vowels, you will be able to read and write and talk in Swahili. The 4th lesson is numbers from 101 to 100. If you see how I've broken it down, is just to make it easier for the student. So now you can know the difference between 101 and 110. So it's 100 plus 1 or 100 plus 10, or 201, 301, 401, all the way to 999 and 1,000. After that, now you'll be reviewing vowels, all the vowels that you want to review at this point. The last lesson is 1001 all the way to a million and a billion. And this is the fun part now. You can tell your date, the day, what date it is, what year it is, what zip code. Highways, when you're driving now, when you read I-64, I-65, I-95, say it in Swahili. And review those vowels, because that is the fundamentals, that's the foundation that you need for reading and writing in Swahili. There's an ebook in the description box that has worksheets, word searches, games, and puzzles that the student can do to reinforce each lesson. So week 1 has 5 to 6 different things the student can do all the way to week 5. All this can be found in the description box with the link below. Swahili 103 is next. The fun part about Swahili 103, now you're learning days of the week on the first week, months of the year, fruits and veggies, fruits and vegetables. And now you'll start learning how to say, I love a banana, I love a kiwi, I do not like oranges, or I do not like vegetables, I do not like broccoli, I do not like carrots. And then you can now say your birthday, the day, the month, the year that you were born. Once you learn days of the week, go to the description box. You will find a link for an ebook and also another link for live classes. If you want to join us for live classes, that's where the link will be. For the whole playlist of Swahili 102, use this QR code. It will take you straight to Swahili 102. Below in the description box, you will find all the classes divided week by week with accompanying phonics lessons. Please subscribe to our channel. It helps us greatly in the YouTube universe. Also comment and like our videos and tell us where we can improve, what you liked about our videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram using our Linktree QR code and also our email if you have any questions. You will get up-to-date information when we are launching new pods, Swahili 103 or 104, or our history classes when we offer history classes both live, also on our YouTube channel. So for now, thank you for joining us. Kwaheri.